Yes. Good morning everyone. Welcome to my vlog. Happy Wednesday. Still early. 7 o'clock. Okay, still dark. There is no sun yet. I just buy bread here. It's still dark. 7 o'clock already. See you. Still early. It's already 7. Morning everyone. Happy Wednesday. It's Wednesday. I hope our day today will be smooth. We cannot encounter problem. Always healthy. If you like my video guys, don't forget to click like, heart, leave a comment, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.